Now in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can improve your designs in Pixellab, enhance it. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is just bring in my design. Once I've done, I'll just save it in as Ultra. So this is a design I just finished doing. The next thing, just save it as Ultra. Make sure it's 100/100 and come and put it in relative position. Just lock it. Alright, so I will want to double this. Okay, it is now doubled, so make sure it's also at the center. So I'll just simply just hide one. So click on the one that is visible, come to color filter. Now touch the contrast, increase it to about 25. Now you can increase it to your choice. So for this particular video, I'll just let me just reduce the brightness a bit. Then touch the saturation and increase the saturation. When you increase saturation, it gives you the best of a particular color. Now I want to make it 10. I don't like the feel it's giving me for 10, but I'll just make it 5. Alright, so this is the particular I just feel is be okay for this design. Now you can just play around it your own for your design you'll be doing. So this is what I have now. Now this is before, now this is after. So this one is now improved. So I can just quickly come here and save as image. Alright, save as image and save as Ultra. So that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.